Hello everyone, I'm going to show you the functionalities of this eBay-like e-commerce website from the project 2 of the CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript course. And let's begin with the first requirement model. We are, in addition to this user model, we have one model for option listing, one model for bids, and one model for comments. Now let's create a listing. I cannot create any listing because I'm not logged in. I should log in for that. Okay, after I'm logged in, now I can create a listing. I fill out this field. So this field is not mandatory, but I should mention the category. Let's say government voucher, create listing. Here you go. We can also notice that this link is the default route of this web application, and we have the current active listing of rendered of this page on this page. And we can have on any listing we have an image, but that's not necessary. Then a title, the current price, a small description, and the date of creation. By clicking on any listing, we can have more detail. Let us see more detail about it. Let's take this book. You have, in addition to the title description, you have the last bit, details, category, comment section, and we can add this book in the watchlist. This book is already in the watchlist. That's why it's gray. But if I want to remove it, just should click on it, and you can see I have now 2 items on my watchlist. I can add this book again in my watchlist, and then I have 3 elements on my watchlist. Yes, 1. Okay, now I want to plus a bid. 500. Highest bid is 590. I got this error because the bid should be greater than the highest bid and greater than the last bid. Let's see, 600. There you go. Yeah. Now let's close this action, but I cannot close this action as this user because this user is not the creator of this action. I should log in as Walter. Okay, now I am logged in as Walter, and I can close this action. But Wendy won the action. Then, okay, now let's go back to the previous tab where I am logged in as Wendy to see what will happen. Okay, let's authorize this page. Yeah. Congratulations, you won the action. And we can notice that this action is no longer available in the active listing page. But I can see it in my watch list, but we can also have an indication that this action is no longer available. Now let's go to the comment section of another action, this one. You can see the current comments. All comments will be displayed here, and I can make a comment as well. I hope you already sent. Yeah, it is what I just written here. Now in the watchlist section, I have the action that I added in the watchlist. These 2 have been already closed, and I have this. But if I click on it, I will be not able anymore to see the watchlist section. I cannot make any comment anymore because error should be logged in. In the category section, I have a category of all the actions. Okay, now let's go back to the Django admin page where I can view information on action listing. I can edit the action. You can also delete it here by selecting the option I want to delete. Let's say 2. Go show. Yeah, delete comment.